crash again. Our video is on the verge of hitting 2,000. We just need a couple more views. I can't believe it. My friend has been doing YouTube for a year, and he hasn't gotten a video that's gotten more than 700 views. But me, in just a couple of days, I've gotten 2,000 views. That is so good. My channel overall almost has 4,000 views. So let's get to playing. Hashtag minion parkour. Okay. I thought I had to get bananas for this, but no, it's just the meters I run. Which is good because I get a lot more meters than I get bananas. So let's just play. People from all around the world are watching my videos. Thank you guys so much. I just got hit. But I got my fruit collected. Okay. Okay, can this go away? Okay. No, thank you. I don't want to share to them. Okay. Yay! I got this weird thing. So I'm gonna go here and use the flippers 3 times this round. Well, what's that supposed to mean? What are these flippers you speak of? I didn't use my purple minion yesterday, so but that doesn't mean I get 2 purple minions today. I should just get 1. Oh, that was epic. I went in the air and boosted. Oh, now that was epic. Okay. Speed forward again. And woohoo! That was fun. Now we're going to get bananas this time. At least we are gonna pass more than the amount that we passed yesterday. We only passed 1 thing yesterday. That was crazy. Probably because I was so busy talking with Jacob, so no wonder. Jacob's actually supposed to be online right now, but I don't know what he's doing. I just got hit. Ah! Okay. We're ready. Let's play. Okay. We already passed 2. At least you got a watermelon, right? That's a good thing. Okay. Should I get his? No, do I have one? No, I don't think I have 150,000 bananas. I think I have more like, I have 15,000, right? Yeah, I think I have 15,000. So we're about to hit 4,000 overall views. We have 3,771. So guess that's a good thing. Okay, okay. I need the banana vacuum to start getting fruit. Well, I got one fruit. That good? And also, guys, I wanted to talk. I see most of only 1% of the people watching my videos are actually subscribed to me. So, guys, please make my day and subscribe, because subscribers don't actually get me anything, but they just make me feel good to have you guys supporting me. So please subscribe and like down below. Thanks for all the support on my videos. Let's get to playing. Oh, you punched your own hand. You played yourself. Congratulations, you played yourself. Oh look, it's like a minion dirt bike. It's making smoke so much behind it. Minion dirt bike! Minion dirt bike! The bike! The bike! I was so close. Oh my god, how did I avoid that? Oh, I couldn't avoid that one. No, thanks. Oh, got jumped over a crate. That was so close. What jump? Roll to the side. On this side. Under the grill. Over the watermelon crate. Even though I am dying for fruit right now. I don't know why he just isn't. If he's trying to get the fruit, why doesn't he just jump into the watermelon crate? That's filled with fruit. Ah, I hit it. I really need to get that banana thing. I'm not gonna stop until I get it. Then after I finish this one, I'll stop. Wah, 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 wah. Okay, I might have done that one on purpose, but that doesn't mean anything. Replay. Dirt bike. This one's cool. Kind of like to fit through the whole thing like they do on TV. choose to go to the left side. I just always do. Okay, but oh, what? I'm such an idiot. Come back. The longer you stay, the less despicable you become. Okay. 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 I'll try to come more. Ah. Okay. 2, 1. Okay, I didn't mean to hit that. Sorry. I can't believe I missed the banana vacuum. Having hip bumps. My dirt bike. Going radicalizing things like crazy. Radical. You get so lonely when you're playing multiplayer. Oh, how did I miss that? Okay. Come on. Oh, I didn't get enough. This is horrible. Oh, God, I missed it. Just missed it. Pretty. Pretty. Bam. Woohoo. That was fun. Pretty. Lipstick taser. What was the best despicable me moment? A lipstick taser. Okay. About to get it. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh! I'm sorry, guys. But no,